since you told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them since you told me so. Everybody ask me how I know.
So hello, we're doing Pacybits. As you can see, we opened up a special pack. Oh, well, that's a bit shit, isn't it? Open up a special plus pack. Absolutely brilliant. Chilwell, what a cracking player. Yosi Perez, he's doing well. What's going on? What? Oh, get rid of that. Come on now. Come on now. I need to get a walkout at least. Come on. Petition. Oh, Team of the Year. Team of the Year. What's a nominee? Oh. Laporte. Come on now. That's trash. That is trash. You also get Rodri in the same pack. Tompkins. Yay. Let's see who we get in this one. It's a gold walkout. Whoopee! It's probably Davidson. Yep. Why do I always get City players now? It's probably because they're out of the Champions League for 2 years. Ha 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 ha. Oh, headliners walkout. Let's go. Come on. Ilicic. It's decent, it's decent. He'll get upgraded to an 89 because he already is in FIFA, so I don't know if Pacybits is like behind the times or something, but anyway. Yeah, so I just did the objective where you get, if you get a 193 foot draft, you get a new badge and you get like 2.5 mil. Ooh, inform walkout. Yeah, anyway, as I was saying, because it's going to be almost really, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, as I was saying, yeah. So I just completed the badge for 193 and I got 2.5 million. And you get 14 special plus packs. Oh, who's this? Kante? Who? Marquinhos. Yay. Yay. Well, at least, you know, he's alright. He's alright. Who have we got here? Icon. Be a moment. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, for God's sake, it's Litmanen. Don't be sent forward. It's his baby card. No way. That is trash. Trash. You're trash. You're trash. Trigger trash. Oh. Adama Traore. Oh, who are we getting? Lang. He's a feckin' langer. Okay, get Screen Bernard. I'll take it, I guess. Opening the Gold Elite pack. Oh, watch as we get a pancake. Oh, we get Benucci. Decent. Let's see, what are we going to open here? The silver pack. Special plus pack. Ones to watch. Rodri. But he's not any good. So I'll open the silver pack. Ole, ole, ole,